If you've been following me the last couple of weeks on social media, you might have recognized that you were massive marketing about the new upcoming drum model. And the reason is because this is something really very special. It's something totally different to what I have ever done before. And yeah, it's totally outstanding to my other range of products. And the big topic behind it is this young man here, because Stevie got inside line 30 centimeter years ago, and which is a transparent synthetic head and a transparent acrylic frame, so look through drum. Actually, I teach a drum, but he used it for his workshop. So when he's doing slipper making, and sometimes he has some waiting times till the machine has finished all the drums, and he uses the time and taking his drum and playing and practicing. Yeah? And already a few years ago he came up and said, "Craiceann, that is nice, but can't we get this drum, a very compact drum, lightweight drum, great sounding drum, direct sounding drum, in a maybe more attractive design and a bit more high-end sound behavior and stuff like that." And yeah, this idea really was in my head a few years, and we had some prototypes and stuff like that, because I said, yeah, that what you explain is actually the perfect travel drum as well. And so I said, yeah, when we come up with something new, it has to be light, it has to be small, it has to be easy tuning, it has to be reliable. So yeah, and then you start thinking, and then you start practicing and trying out something. And yeah, one day something comes out, and the first prototype for him was in red, in purple red, yeah, because it's his kind of signature color. Yeah, so, yeah, but when it comes up to the marketing part of the whole stuff, and I said, this drum has so much potential. It's not just a custom drum for a special customer. It has so much potential. The world has to get the chance to get it also for a lower price, so we have to do a serious model, a new model. And yeah, as I said, when it came up to marketing, the first thing is you have to find a name for it. And yeah, this brand new drum is called Kiwi. It has also this nice sticker in it showing a kiwi bird half cut through with a kiwi fruit, which is a bit weird. Okay, that's part of the marketing, I said, yeah? And that's also the reason why it's now green. And you might ask why kiwi? Yeah, it's really the point. A few years ago, when my daughter was very small, we have been at the Frankfurt music fair 2 years, and Stevie was helping in the stall, and he also was doing a lot of fun with the little one and taking care of her and playing in the Frankfurt music fair, and my daughter always said, "Kiwi, Stevie, Kiwi, Stevie." So that's the reason why this drum is not called Kiwi. So the Kiwi is very small. It's a 33 centimeter diameter. It has 14 centimeter depth. It has a 3-point quick high-low tuning system. That means it works the other way around as you might use it. So it's high-low, and has a synthetic skin on it, and is waterproof.
Crack and swim for the crack and swim, perfect for the crack and swim.
So the Kiwi is fun, yeah? And yeah, today is an official launch. That means we'll put it now on the website and stuff like that. It will be a price at 595 euros, but for the launch price we are at 555 for the first orders, and the one which are available here. I brought 4, 2 are still available. That's it. Any questions?